natin bilisan. Teammates, pwede natin tulungan yung mga babies. You can also copy their strategy. Pwede dalawang maghatak sa garter para mas madaling masuot. Again, the key for this game for you to win is you have to wear the garter to the kids as fast as you can. Kailangan mo mabilis. Okay, pabilisan mo ang larong ito. Okay? You ready now? Round 2! The game begins in 3. Wala pa, sir. Sir, sobrang strategy yun, ah. Bibilang pa lang ako, nasa tuhod na. Okay, ready? Okay. Siya pala yung may birthday. Of course, I cannot object with the strategy. Baka magkaroon ako ng salary deduction. Okay, ready? I'll be here. Ready? The game begins in 3, 2, 1, go! All the way out to their toes. You have to make it as fast as you can. Buhati ng bata. Kung hindi kayang tanggalin, you have to shout happy birthday because you're done. Make it faster, make it quick. Let's see who will be the winner for this game. Sino na una? Okay. Now, according to our DTI representative, with 0.2 milliseconds advantage, clap your hands together for Team Aris. Okay. Huwag kayo magalala. Sir, meron pa tayong tie-breaking match. Ito na ang ating pinakahuling round. Let's do the other way around. Mag-start po tayo sa dulo. Mula sa dulo hanggang mamarating sa leader, which is si Sir Maki and si Sir Aris. Okay? Last and final round. Okay, ito na ang pinakahuli. Again, ang mananalo for this game will receive major prize from Mikay. Okay? Now, let me give you some tips. Last tip na po ito mula sa inyong lingkod. If the kids touches the garter na sa kanilang toes, pwede na natin buhatin yung bata. Okay? Pwede tayo magtulong-tulong buhatin ng bata para mas madaling maalis ang garter. Okay? Kasi doon yung pinaka-struggling point talaga to remove the garter from their toes. Okay? Last and final round. The game begins in 3, 2, Sir, Maki, laro lang to, sir, ha? Okay? Paalala ko lang, magkakaibigan tayo lahat dito. Para nagigitim na yung bata dyan. Ready? Joke lang. Ready? Last and final round. The game begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Hands all the way up to your toes. Let's see who will be the winner for this game. Shout happy birthday and clap on the tapos. Let's see kung sino mananalo. Is it Team Sosa? Tuloy yung first! Okay, with 0.1 milliseconds advantage. Clap your hands together for Team Aris! Team Maki, huwag kayong magalala. Since our birthday parents are so generous, even the non-winners makakatanggap ng special prize mula kay Mikay. Clap your hands also for Team Maki. All of us, claim your prize now. And let's have a group picture po with your prizes. Sir Maki, let's go. Kids, stay po muna tayo dito. Let's have a picture with your prizes. Let's go. Stay here. And let's have a picture.
Nanalo pa yung PWD?
Thank you so much sa mga parents natin for joining and for being a nice sport. Siyempre, as we all know, we are here to celebrate Mikay's birthday. We always celebrate
kasi Adelita, pinagpinsin.
Thank you so much for letting us feel your energy and for enjoying the celebration. Okay? Team Maki and Team Aris, let's all join together with your prizes and let's have a good moment. Team Maki, Team Aris. Okay, ready? With your kids, asan na yung mga kids? Kids, come on, join us here. Let's have a picture with your parents and with your titos. Yan. You ready now? Wow. To all the kids who participated sa ating previous game, do not forget to say thank you, ha, to your titos and daddies for joining and for giving you a chance to manalo ng mga major prizes. Right? Smile, everyone! Thank you! Wow! Now it's time for the first part of our 7 rituals. Okay, aside from the games, magic show, we're gonna have our 7th ceremony.